Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutor Point. Today we are going to discuss on rank of matrix, that is BTech M1 mathematics. Okay, so matrix topic. So find the rank of the matrix. So how can we find the rank of the matrix, guys? If the determinant of the given matrix is 0, then we cannot get the rank of the given matrix. In those situations we have to take the minor of the given matrix, and if any of the minor is non-zero, then whatever the minor we have taken, that order will be the rank of the matrix. Okay, let's see here. See, I have taken here matrix 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5 of 3 by 3 order. Okay, so how to find the rank of the given matrix? First we have to find the determinant. Okay, taking the determinant of the given matrix, the determinant is equal to 0. Okay, then we go to the further step, but let's see. Find the determinant of the given matrix. What we get? 1 into 15 into 15 minus 16 minus 2 into 10 minus 12 plus 3 into 8 minus 9. 3 into 8 minus 9. So after simplifying, we get minus 1 plus 4 minus 3. We get minus 4 plus 4, nothing but 0. Therefore, the 3 by 3, the given 3 by 3 order matrix, we got the determinant is 0. Therefore, the rank of the given matrix is not 3. Okay, whatever the order is there, that will be the rank of the matrix, but it depends on the order, but the determinant is 0 here. Therefore, the rank of the given matrix is not 3. So, what is the other step? Then we have to take the minor of the given matrix. So take any of the minor. Total we get 9 minors here. Take any of the minor. So I am taking this one, 2 3 3 4 matrix. Okay, find the determinant of that. So I found here we got 8 minus 9, that nothing but minus 1. Okay, minus 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore it is a non-zero. Therefore it is a 2 by 2 matrix, right? Therefore the rank of the matrix is 2 by 2. Okay. The rank of the matrix is denoted by row of A. Okay, guys. So understood. The given matrix is 3 by 3 order. Okay. If the determinant is 0, then the rank of the matrix is not 3. Okay. Whatever the order of the matrix is given, that will be the rank of the matrix, or less than that will be there. Okay. It may be either, it will be either the order of the matrix or less than that, but not more than that. Okay, guys. So in this, the first step is fails, right? Because there is no, we did not get the rank for the 3 by 3 order, right? So what is next step? We have to take the minor of the given matrix. If the minor of the given matrix is non-zero, then that will be whatever the order we have taken, that will be the rank of the matrix. Okay, then, and I am going to give some discuss some points on rank of matrix. Okay, the rank of matrix is denoted by row of A, guys. Row, and A is the name of the matrix, and the rank of the given matrix and the transpose of the given matrix. Okay, the transpose of the rank of the transpose of matrix will be same. Therefore, row of A is equal to row of A transpose. Okay, then the rank of the null matrix. Okay, if you take 2 by 2 order or 3 by 3 order of n into n order, the rank will be 0. Okay, the rank of null matrix will be 0. Okay, and you need to remember one more point, that the rank of the matrix depending on the order of the matrix. It may be either the rank will be exactly equal to the order or less than that, but not more than that. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss other example. Okay, please like my video and like my channel, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.